Hey Ernie, this is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. Just making this video for you so that we could show you kind of how you can increase your business by using your online presence and especially beating SafeLight in Google Ads. So I help rank websites, Google business profiles, and ads, and so I usually just start with your website and we'll go from there. And if you have RV windshield replacements, I would love to help you get some more new leads that way too. But anyway, so usually one thing I recommend for your website is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, that's a location and also a service. And so like auto glass replacement St. George, that's a buyer intent keyword. And the cool thing is if you save your images correctly, let's see, maybe it's this one. That is, instead of it saying glass replacement, that's not too bad, St. George auto glass. That's branded, but I would recommend maybe, like windshield replacement St. George. So you're most of the way there, but that counts as content behind the image as well. And I do use a tool called Ahrefs to show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want them continuously moving up in balance whenever possible. You're at 0 because you have 0 referring pages and domains. And those are our backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And you're being indexed for 0 keywords and 0 traffic, which means that your website is more like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. So looking at windshield replacement St. George, right here up top you got SafeLight and then Fusion Shield. These are the ads that I help a lot of auto glass companies with. The biggest thing is you want to make sure that your ad groups are thematically grouped. And the reason for that is so that you can have as many keywords in your ads as you can. Like windshield replacement, but it doesn't say where you are. So, that would be a good one to have in your ad here. Or for, beating them, windshield replacements, it says window and windshield. Once again, you want to have the keywords grouped thematically so that you know exactly which ad to show. And to kind of give you an example, windshield replacement, there's 140 searches, windshield repair, rock chip repair, windshield replacement near me. So, you have about 400 searches between these, looks like. And the thing is, though, like windshield replacement, and windshield glass replacement, those would be like in their own ad group. And then windshield repair and rock chip repair, those would be in different ones as well because it doesn't say windshield, it just says rock chip. Even though they're the same service, you'd want them different. So those are kind of the ways that I would do it. It gets you the best click-through rate, and then the landing page experience is the best conversion rate. And then being in the Google Business Profile is a great way to generate business as well, because out of the two of these, about 70% of traffic stops right here between these two. So people don't even always go to your website. But it's okay that you're not in the Google Business Profile. There's lots of ways to rank for it. The first being to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't mislead Google. Reviews. I have a little cheat where I make a QR code for your review page, and so when you're done with a client or customer, you can have them go to your review and have them do it right then and there. And then adding branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly is really beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organically. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google is like a big popularity contest. And by giving your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you, and not just in your location, but in the surrounding ones as well. So then we do move down into the organics, and it looks like Novus is one of your top. I mean, I could go with either one of these, it's not a big deal, but I did want to go with them to just kind of show you a little bit about theirs. But right here is your keywords and search traffic. Like once you have a lot of different keywords, then you could have a lot more people going to your website for it. So when you start to outrank your competitors by having better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, a percentage of all of these searches will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Ernie, I hope that this was beneficial for you. I look forward to talking to you, and have a great day.